Hi, this is Chris again. I'm here to talk about the law of cosines from Unit 66 in Mathematics for Machine Technology by Smith and Peterson. I'm an instructor at Shoreline Community College. The law of cosines states that in any triangle, the square of any side equals the sum of the squares of the other sides, less the product of these two sides times the cosine of the included angle. Given the triangle shown, that means that the length of little a squared equals b squared plus c squared minus 2 times b times c times the cosine of angle A. And b squared equals a squared plus c squared minus 2ac times the cosine of angle B. And c squared equals b squared plus a squared minus 2ab times the cosine of angle C. So we use a different formula for each one depending on which one we're solving for. But remember, it's always 2 times the two sides that are being used to solve for the other one, and the angle that corresponds to that other side. So let's take a look at an example of this. So here we have an example given two sides and the included angle. So we have to have two sides and an included angle, in which case we can't use the law of sines. So we have to use the law of cosines in this case. And the law of cosines in this case says that a squared equals b squared plus c squared minus 2bc times the cosine of A, angle A, that is. So if we're looking for x in this case, x will replace A. So we substitute in the values, solve, and we find that x squared equals 1421.90009. Taking the square root of both numbers, we find that x is 37.70809051, and rounding to 3 digits, we find that x is equal to 37.708. Let's take a look at another example. Given 3 of the sides, and we're looking for the angle this time, we rearrange the first formula again to solve for angle using solving for the cosine of angle A, and we get b squared plus c squared minus a squared over 2bc equals the cosine of angle A. Substituting in the values, we get 4096 plus 2209 minus 6084 over 6016. Doing the addition and subtraction on top, 2.21 over 60.16 gives us the cosine of A is equal to 0.036735372, and we discovered that the angle A is then 87.89474452 degrees. Rounding to 2 decimal places, 87.89 degrees. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Bye.